Up here, up here. Okay, there we go. Brothers Austin and Alex Ward formed the Noise FM in Kansas before relocating to Chicago in 2010. The brothers found bass player Barry Ray Kidd on Craigslist and immediately asked him to join the band because of his awesome name and, I hope, because of his awesome skills as well. They recently released their critically acclaimed full-length record, Attraction, on the Record Machine record label. The band kicks off their spring tour on Thursday, February 27th in Chicago, performing Keep Me in the Dark. Let's give it up for the Noise FM.
Shake off your sex appeal. Skin tight, you wear it well. Perfected every stare, but you never look at me. You've got such mass appeal. Good fit, it suits you well. Flush red and we can tell you've drank enough for me. Who are you thinking of? My God, I'm hoping I am the one. But you never looked at me. Whatever you've done before, just keep me in the dark. Whatever you got in store, just keep me in the dark. 'Cause when you're smiling, it means you're hiding something. And when you're laughing, I know you're laughing at me. Steal what you do so well. You're such a snake when you threaten. You use your tongue and your body as a weapon. So many times I blinked and missed you. I've got a life, but I don't have to live it. I wish that I could cast a spell. I look at you, but I've been seeing someone else, and all you do is sing. Such a tease to me, and all you're talking, it comes so easily. Whatever you've done before, just keep me in the dark. Whatever you got in store, just keep me in the dark. Whatever you turn you want, just keep me in the dark. Whatever you got it all, just keep me in the dark. And when you're smiling, it means you're hiding something. And when you're laughing, I know you're laughing at me. And when you're smiling, it means you're hiding something. And when you're laughing, I know you're laughing at me.
Great job, guys. So we got some questions for you. You guys are originally from Kansas. What brought you to Chicago?
That's a great question for my brother Austin back there on the drums.
It's a wonderful question. Beautiful question. Just music in general. We've me and my brother have been playing in a band together for a long time, and went to school.
They went to school.
We went to school.
Good. That's
We went to
good.
school. They're going to take it back to me up here at the front. We came up to Chicago for music. It's just a good music town. We're originally from Kansas, but the music scene can be a little hit and miss, and Chicago's just a cool music town. So we thought we'd give it a shot up here. Moved up here, and then we found Barry on Craigslist, and the rest is just worked out great.
So how would you guys describe the sound of your new record, Attraction?
Barry, what would you say about the new record?
Man, the new record, it's tough because it kind of spans a long time in terms of writing. I mean, they've been writing this before I even joined the band, and I've been in the band for 2 years. So over the course of it, there's a lot of variety to it. But I'd say one thing common throughout the whole album is it's got that keep you dancing sort of feel the whole
got that
time.
beat.
Yeah, it's got that beat the whole time, and that's a big thing that we focused on. I feel like playing with these songs is keep that beat going, keep your feet moving.
Even just standing up here, I feel like dancing.
Yeah.
So who else have you guys shared the stage with?
Austin, you got a working mic back there?
No, it's going. Oh,
All right, don't worry about him.
Okay.
Well, we've
Cable up here. We got bad cable.
shared the stage with a lot of Chicago bands, popular Chicago bands. But we opened up a couple years, just a while back, for a band called Presidents of the United States of America.
Yeah.
They sing that Peaches song. That was a big deal
Peaches
for us.
song.
They didn't watch us play when they were performing, but that was a big one. That was a big one for us.
And your music has been featured on some shows. What are those shows?
Lost. It was on Lost.
It was not on
We
Lost.
just-
It was not on Lost. We wrote a song about Lost to try and get on the TV show Lost. It didn't work out. We did end up on 90210 though.
The
I've
re-
never,
the
I've never
remake,
seen
The
it.
not
new
even-
one, not the old
yeah,
one.
not
Was that
new
the
one.
show? Was the song on 90210 the one about Lost?
Not
that would've
really.
been-
Wouldn't that have been? That would have been ironic. No, it was a song that was not didn't fit the scene at all, but they stuck it in there and
They kind of wedged that song right
wedged
into
it
that
right
scene.
in there. Made it happen.
So you guys start a tour in Chicago on February 27th. And then where do you guys go? Where will the road of rock and roll take you guys next?
The road is taking us up north. We're heading all the way up to as far as Minneapolis, and then we're going to head straight down. It's poor routing on our part. Then we're going straight down to Austin, Texas, and then back up to Chicago. It doesn't make any sense, the tour route, but it should be good. Should be good.
Which city are you most excited to play?
Probably Austin,
Austin,
Texas.
Austin,
yeah.
Texas.
It's always
It's gonna be
85
a-
degrees and sunny, like there, and that's great after this winter.
So the fans in Minnesota, what do you guys think about Minnesota? Is that going to be?
It's great.
We'll give them
They're
the best show.
weather's
we can
not the
give,
best
but
there, but the people are super friendly.
That's what I heard. Yeah. Okay. So where can the audience find out more about you guys?
Our website is probably the best, thenoisefm.net. We couldn't register the .com because someone beat us to it, so we've got .net. So check that out. Got all the tour dates, the band info, pictures.
Pictures. There's
So,
pictures on there.
There are pictures on there. If you guys want to see some pictures online,
like
go to that
pictures.
web address. We're going to keep rocking here all day, so let's get ready to party.